everyone, Assalamualaikum. Hope everyone is doing good. I am also fine here. Today for iftar, let's prepare keema paratha. Check out the ingredients for keema paratha. Here I am taking 300 gram of mutton keema. Now add enough salt into it. Add half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix. As this is a mutton, it won't cook as soon as the chicken cooks. So let's transfer this mix into a pressure cooker. Cook this up to 1 whistle. Add little water into it and cook it. Meanwhile, let's prepare a dough for the paratha. Here I am taking 1.5 cup of maida, 1.5 cup of wheat flour. Add enough salt and water, mix well and knead it into a soft dough. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of oil into it. Knead it very well and keep it aside. Now the meat is cooked. Let's prepare a masala for the paratha. Heat the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Add 1 chopped onions into it and saute till it becomes transparent. Get transparent, add the chopped curry leaves and the green chilies into it and saute for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add the ginger garlic paste, that is 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and saute for some time. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute well till the raw smell goes. Keep it in a low flame as the masalas don't get burnt. Now add the chopped tomatoes into it. As a tip, I would like to say that when we add tomatoes, add enough salt into it so the tomatoes will get cooked soon. Now add little water into it so that the masalas will not get burnt. Once the tomatoes get cooked, add the chopped potatoes into it. You can also use the cooked potatoes. Now give it a good mix. After that, add the cooked keema into it. Now mix very well. Add the chopped coriander leaves into it. Mix it. As we use the raw potato, it takes little time to cook. So add little water into it and add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder into it. Give it a good mix and let it cook for some time. Close the lid and cook like 5 to 6 minutes. Cook till the masalas get dry. That is, the oil should be evaporated completely. Now add the flour and roll the dough into a medium size. Flatten all the sides. The center should be thick as I am showing in the video. Take the filling as the same size of a dough and place it in the center and close the sides as I am showing here. Let it stick properly, or else when we flatten the dough, the masalas will come outside. Do the same with the leftover dough and the fillings. Reminding that the center should be thick. Now roll the filled dough and flatten as we do for paratha. Do it slowly or else the masalas will come outside. Add enough flour on the top of it. Now heat the tawa, place the paratha on tawa and cook both the sides. Once both the side gets heated, apply oil or ghee. Apply both the sides and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Or till the color changes. Now continue the same method with the leftover dough. Now divide the parathas into 4. Our keema paratha is ready to serve for iftar. Hope everyone liked this video. If you like this video, please do share with your contacts and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.